Hi everyone and welcome back to another episode. Today's video I'm just going to be cleaning my privet. I need to pull the branches down onto the apex as they're growing straight up towards the light to start creating a dome, and it's just a general clean. The first thing I'll do is get the wire on the apex, so I'll record a little bit of that when we come back and start cleaning it up and setting the apex into position. So with no further ado, let's get cracked on. So here's a little quick spin of the tree. As you can see, all the branches are growing straight up, so I need to carefully get some wire on and pull it down, because privets like this, they tend to snap easily because the branches go brittle. So fingers crossed we don't lose any. So this bugger turned out a lot harder than I anticipated. With all the branches growing straight up, I had to keep on moving them out the way with my fingers just to try and get in to get the wire. I was crapping myself in case I snapped it, because if I snapped one of them branches on the top, there would have been a good baldy patch in the apex. So here's back to the music, and I hope you enjoy it. So at this point I have all the wire on the apex what I want. I haven't put no basic styling back into it yet because I want to clean all the trunk. I could do with wiring it all, but I will do this later on and start pulling it down because I want to use this tree in a couple of weeks. I just need to give it a good clean, and then we'll tweak the apex a little bit just to start pulling these branches down where they're all growing up towards the light. Just got some soapy water and my little wire brushes. I'm just going to give it a good soak and a nice clean, because I want to try and get this bark back to some of its natural colour to highlight and compensate the tree. So back to music and we'll get this cleaned up. All I need to do now is just tweak the apex a little bit to pull the branches down where it's been grown up to the light. Going to have to be careful because the branches is old and they will snap. So here's a little bonus of me pruning the Cotoneaster on the Avatar Rock. It's just a quick little prune. I might use it as an accent, so that's why I'm tidying this up. I just thought I'd stick it on this video instead of doing a daft 4-minute separate video. So let's see what this one turns out at the end, and I'll give you a look at the stand once it's all pruned. There's a little prune of the Avatar Rock on its stand. It should be a good accent sometime. Shitty life, take that off. So that was just a little chilled Sunday with the music on, cleaning up the privet and dropping the branches into place on the apex. Still windy, as it was growing straight up. Most of these could do with some wire on and pull down a little bit, but privets naturally grow up to the light, so this is okay for now. The wood's come up pretty good with a nice scrubbing, getting all the moss and the lighting off. I took the lighting off the branches as far as I dare go, because if you come in with a little scrubbing brush or a toothbrush, it knocks all the new buds off. A little quick spin, then we'll get them back on the bench. It was basically just to pull the apex down and start creating the dome for it. Now back to the front. So that's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da, folks! What glasses are these fuckers? Huh, I better.